Hey everybody, welcome back. No, I'm not in the craft room, but I'm not sitting in my normal spot. I am actually at work at the lock shop. But anyway, I wanted to encourage you and see if you would like to join me to make a Tunisian crochet project. I am calling this my Tunisian Crochet Make-Along. Now this project is assuming that you already know how to do the basic Tunisian crochet stitch, a basic knowledge of increasing with Tunisian crochet. Along with this, you will also probably need like buttons or possibly safety eyes, or you could also embroidery eyes. Yes, there will be eyes. Possibly some stuffing if you choose to stuff, which is not necessary. You can use either cotton or acrylic yarn. You will need a size I normal crochet hook, not a Tunisian one. This can be done with just a regular crochet hook, but it cannot be one with a handle because you need to have pretty much the entire hook for the loops on your project. I am using some Caron 1 pound in the colorway Gold. At least I think that's the name of the color. I've lost the ball band. And I am also using a size I crochet hook. Now, whatever yarn you choose, like I said, you can use cotton, you can use acrylic, you can use a 3-weight, you can use a 4-weight, you can make it huge, but I recommend not going too big because with Tunisian crochet, larger yarn seems to be a little bit more difficult, at least for me, to work with. So I am using the Caron 1 pound. It seems to be a little bit heavier than a normal Red Heart size 4 yarn, and I recommend a 1 to 2 sizes larger hook than what the yarn recommends. So I am using an I, which is 1 size higher than the hook. I can't think, oh, you might also need a tapestry needle if you're going to do some sewing, like embroidering the eyes and mouth on there. I think that's about it. I didn't make a list. This is just totally random. I just came up with this while I'm sitting here at work. So hey, we're gonna go with it. So be watching for the videos on how to make the stitches and what I am doing. I will put the basic instructions in the description box of each video that I put out on what I am crocheting, in addition to the links to any previous videos in this series. So this is the introduction. Part 1 will be out probably tomorrow. So thank you guys and be watching for that. I hope you all can join in with this.